Stop letting anxiety win. This 10-second secret changes everything tonight.
If you are feeling like a shadow of the man you were 10 years ago, it is not just aging.
It is an invisible drain on your system that no one is talking about.
You wake up tired, your confidence is slipping, and when it matters most, the spark just is not there.
Most guys think this is just the way things are now, or they try those cheap drugstore pills that only make their heart race without fixing the root cause.
But the real issue is your body and internal chemistry being starved of the specific nutrients it needs to perform.
Across the United States, from New York to California, men are being sold a lie that they should just accept feeling average.
But there is a secret formula that is changing everything.
It is called Primal Grow Pro. This is not some mass-produced chemical junk.
It is a highly bioavailable natural solution designed to support your vitality and blood flow from the inside out.
When your body finally gets these specific plant compounds, the change is undeniable.
Your energy returns, your confidence builds, and you finally feel that drive you thought was gone forever.
But listen to me closely.
Primal Grow Pro is made in small batches right here in the United States to ensure every bottle is pure and potent.
Because they do not use fillers or fake ingredients. They sell out almost as soon as a new batch is released.
I have put the official link down below in the description and in my bio.
The link still works. Means they have a few bottles left in stock.
Do not settle for feeling half alive.
Click the link, take control, and reclaim your edge today.
Follow me for more health secrets like this every single day.